Security maintenance is difficult. Most teams spend way too much time tracking vulnerabilities and manually patching open source packages that sit outside the core OS. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely offload that headache and put your security maintenance on autopilot using Ubuntu Pro. Now, we are on the subscribe page. You can get the free token, which is for personal use, and with the organization track, you get the scale and the SLAs that enterprise environments actually need. So let me go ahead and select that. Next, you choose your environment, you select the number of machines you want Ubuntu Pro for, and you choose the Ubuntu LTS those machines are running. Now, what security coverage do you need? Here is the key choice for your infrastructure. Infra only covers the core OS, it's the foundation. But for a true production environment and for a more comprehensive approach to supply chain security, you want the full Ubuntu Pro plan. This expands your security coverage from the core OS packages to all aspects of open source infrastructure and applications. Basically, if your devs are using it, Ubuntu Pro is likely patching it. Next, you can add 24/7 phone and ticket support. This way, you can talk to Canonical's engineering team if something goes sideways. And you click on checkout and you're able to purchase your subscription. Before I take you to the Pro dashboard to access your token, I wanted to talk a bit about the reality of security maintenance for your entire fleet. If you're running a standard Ubuntu 2404 LTS, you're already in a good spot. But you might be surprised by where your coverage actually ends. Let's run Pro Security Status to see the current state of this machine. Right now, you can see a breakdown. Because this is an LTS release, our main repository packages are covered by standard security maintenance until 2029. That's 5 years of support. But look at the universe section. Those extra packages your team is using, those only get community best effort support. So, if a vulnerability hits one of those libraries today, the maintenance headache is entirely on your team. Let's see how an Ubuntu Pro subscription changes that. By moving to Ubuntu Pro, we're doing two massive things for our infrastructure. First, we are extending that main repository coverage from 2029 all the way out to 2034. That's a full decade of stability. Second, we're bringing those universe packages under the same professional security umbrella. We're effectively offloading the patching of our entire open source stack to Canonical. Now, I will take you to the Pro dashboard. Once you've secured your subscription, you land here on your dashboard. And this is where you manage all of your subscriptions. The key piece of information we need is right here, our Pro token. So I'm on the free personal subscription for Ubuntu Pro, but it works exactly the same for enterprises. Now I'm going to copy this string so that we can link our machine to the Ubuntu Pro subscription. And I'm going to enter my password. And in a matter of seconds, the machine checks in, validates our token, and begins enabling our expanded services. It's activating ESM apps for those extra packages and live patch to keep our kernel secure without the downtime of a reboot. Now let's look at the difference. We'll run Pro Security Status one more time and look at the output now. Those packages that were previously community supported or expiring in a few years are now officially covered under Expanded Security Maintenance or ESM. We've just wiped away the manual patching burden for the next 10 years. Your environment is compliant, your packages are secured by Canonical, and your team can get back to building. Well, that's the power of Ubuntu Pro in one command. See you next time.